Hey guys, our partner GearBest has a big sale in the early autumn of 2018. In fact, it begins today, but will continue until September 16th. As you understand from the title of this video, the sale is called Treasure Hunt. We want to talk about highlights of flash sale and why you cannot miss it. Let's start with the stages, because there are 3 of them. The first stage starts today and will last until September 3rd. It's just a warm-up, but you can already find many products with discount, such as Redmi Note 5 and Amazfit Smartwatch 2, Xiaomi Hi9 Air, and others. The next stage will be from September 3rd until September 10th. I don't know what it will be there, but GearBest promises a lot of great deals and coupon codes. The last stage will start September 10th and will last until September 19th. This is the final countdown and the last chance to buy new gadget with discount price. Now let's look at highlights of Treasure Hunt sale. First, we see the app exclusive game. You need to install GearBest app on your phone and play a very simple game to win DJI drone or Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 tablet. Then there is Monster Side deals. You can choose buy now and coming soon. Now you can buy Umidigi S2 Lite, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, Xiaomi Amazfit Smartwatch 2 and other gadgets. The next interesting section is Triple Saver Combos. You can buy 3 items for only $9.99, $29.99 or $99.99. Just select the tab on top and choose the gadget you want to buy. Wow, here is Mystery Treasure Bags. It is my favorite. You can buy bag for $1 and get different accessories, for example, mouse pad or wand toy. You know, the most interesting part of any sale is games. You can get not only discount coupon or even win a prize, but also have a lot of fun. Here is Secret Wishing Pool, but it is not active yet. However, I already saw that there is Huawei P20 and Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner as the main prizes. So GearBest prepared another interesting sale with coupons, deals and games. You cannot miss it, because right now is the best time to buy a long-awaited smartphone, laptop or anything else. The link to flash sale will be in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.